Hello friends, turmeric is a basic spice that is used in Indian cooking, and it would be always great if you can grow turmeric at your home. So in this video, I'll show you how do you grow turmeric, and it also has some important tricks that will give a boost to your turmeric plant. So let's start the video, and I welcome all of you to my organic balcony. You can buy any turmeric roots from the market and then you sow around 2 to 3 inch deep, and they don't germinate pretty easily. So if you see in a week they have not germinated, but around a month after you can see the growth of all 3 roots. So because of the rainy season, daily watering was not required, but you can see couple of months it has grown very well. Now, very important tip is you add extra layer of soil which allows more shoots to come up and hence better harvest. And that is it. I mean, the common pest which I have got noticed is that there is a grass demon butterfly caterpillar which actually eats up lot of leaves, and I allowed to do that because for us leaves was not that critical. So it was just eating up all leaves. I mean, we can see that in the harvest video also, and it then converts into the pupa. The butterfly looks pretty beautiful. Now this is 8th November video, just a month before I actually harvested the turmeric, and this is 11th of December video, just a day before I harvested the turmeric. So if you observe, there are a lot of leaves which have been cut through by grass demon butterfly, and there are a lot of dry leaves also. So after 7 months, if you see there are leaves which are dried up, that means it is ready for harvesting. And I keep on adding Jivamrut also right throughout the period of turmeric growth, mostly once in a month or so. So when I do harvest, I keep first cutting all the leaves, and then these leaves are actually cut more and then dried up so that I can use it for the mulching for my other plants. So this entire video is all about that itself. I mean, how did I harvest it? I'm sure you have observed about the crate that I have used. The purpose of using crate and the liner is that crate allows you to give better aeration through the soil, and this is what I do, which is shown, like 1 fistful of compost, either homemade or vermicompost, whatever you want, every week, and onion peels water instead of a normal watering, that also I do every week. Now these two are giving lot of benefits to all my plants. Now you can, if you want, you can have a look at a video on how do I prepare onion peels water, because there are different ways of preparing that. So I use my own method, and that is it. I mean, if this all different, I mean, if you use homemade compost or onion peels water or Jivamrut, or even for that sake banana peels water, all these, they don't cost you anything actually. So it's always beneficial to use these fertilizers rather than buying anything from market like NPK fertilizer or any liquid fertilizer, because it helps from the environment perspective also. So if you see, there is a lot of turmeric which has been which has harvested. This is all from the 3 different roots which I had sown on 17th of May. So it is close to exact 7 months, which has given me this much of turmeric. I mean, there is also a video on what is a total turmeric that I have got. So I am just measuring it, and it came out to be 1.5 kg of turmeric, which is a great harvest in my view. Now to make a turmeric powder out of it, I have actually dried up all these for 10 days. So this is all after 10 days of drying, and then I boil them for 15 minutes after it dries up. After boiling, you just need to cut into small pieces, let it dry and grind it. That's it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel Organic Balcony and also press bell icon. Have a green organic balcony.